Story time.
A little adventurer raced through the sunlit glade. His heart thrummed with joy. Each rustle promised new discoveries. A flutter of movement caught his eye. Crouched beneath a giant leaf, a small creature trembled. Fear painted her tiny face. "I'm scared," she whispered. The majestic hunter's shadow loomed large. The stories whispered in the wind felt all too real. With a soft swoosh of wings, a figure descended. The feathered guardian landed gracefully. A friendly glint shone from his amber eyes. "Say hello," he chimed, eyes sparkling with delight. The little one hesitated, her heart thumping like a drum. With a flap of his wings, a soft wind rustled the leaves. It whispered secrets of kindness and friendship. Courage began to stir. Tentatively, she peeked out from her leafy cover. Her fear began to fade. Hope flickered in her timid heart. They rolled and tumbled in a joyful heap. Leaves fluttered like confetti in the air. Laughter rang, bright and pure, echoing through the forest. Under the shelter of ancient branches they rested. A bond blossomed, warm like the golden sunbeams above. Three hearts intertwined beneath the trees. Fear melted away, replaced by trust and camaraderie. They were a team, united in joy. Together they danced through leafy pathways. Every corner held a new surprise. Friendship transformed the world around them. As the sun dipped low, shadows grew long, but their laughter lingered. In their hearts, adventure bloomed forever.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.